Welcome back to our online course on refrigeration and air conditioning. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss basic processes in air conditioning system. For that, let us consider a point number O. Now, this OA represents the sensible heating. OA represents sensible heating. Now, how we can say that OA is sensible heating? From this O, I can move in downward direction. Here I will get the value of dry bulb temperature. At this point A, I will also get dry bulb temperature. Let us say 1, 2. If we will compare the values of dry bulb temperature at point number O and point number A, I can find that the value of temperature at point number A is greater. That's why I have said here heating, and here we are not finding any phase change. That's why we have said it as a sensible heating. Similar to this OA, what we can write for this OB? This OB is nothing but what? Sensible heating. मतलब क्या है? Once again same thing. Here I will get dBT1, and here at point number B we will get dB2 or 2 dash. You can find here the value of temperature at this point number B is less than the value of temperature at point number O. Means we can say that during this process the heat is rejected. That's why, sorry, here not heating, this is nothing but what? Cooling. Now what is that OC? Now during this process OC, what you can find, this is nothing but the relative humidity lines. Means what we have increased here in this direction, value of humidity goes on increasing. That's why what we can say here, OC is nothing but what? Humidification. Similarly, let's refer the OD. Now as we are moving in downward direction, means is there is direction, what will happen? The values of relative humidity goes on decreasing. That's why that process is called as a dehumidification. Now next let us consider this OE. That OE is nothing but what? Heating as well as humidification. What I can write? Heating and humidification. Means what is happening during process OE? As we'll compare temperatures at point number O and E, the temperature goes on increasing, and we are knowing that in this direction the value of relative humidity also goes on increasing. That's why I can say it as a heating and humidification. Similarly, refer OF, as if I will compare the temperature, what will happen? Temperature goes on decreasing, hence I can write cooling. And what will happen to humidity? Relative humidity, that is also goes on decreasing. That's why I can write dehumidification. Means for process OF, what I can say? Cooling and dehumidification. Then next process is nothing but what? OG. Now during this process OG, what will happen to temperature? Temperature goes on decreasing. That's why cooling. And what will happen to its relative humidity? That goes on increasing. That's why I can write cooling and humidification. Similarly, refer OH. Now what will happen during OH? The temperature goes on increasing, means I can say it as a heating. And what will happen to the relative humidity? It goes on decreasing. That's why I can say it as a dehumidification. Now similar type of processes in forthcoming lectures, we are going to plot on this psychometric chart, and we are going to study the significance of each and every process. Thank you so much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription, you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.